We just added 18 eggs right into our blender. Now we're gonna grab ourselves some cottage cheese, open that bad boy right up, and we're gonna plop about a cup of cottage cheese right in here. Now I know David is looking at me like cottage cheese is the grossest thing ever, but I don't mind it. Tell us if you like cottage cheese or not in the comments, and also know that all it does is it packs us with protein and you don't even taste it, so don't worry about it. Okay, you see here that I have a little bit of triple cheddar cheese. You can go with cheddar, you can choose any kind of cheese you want. You're just gonna take about a cup of cheese and add it in there with the cottage cheese and the eggs, just like that. All right, you guys, let's put that lid right on there. We're gonna blend this up. Let's get this bad boy blended. All right, that looks great. You don't want it too blended, just enough to mix those eggs with that cottage cheese, forming a little bit of bubbles, but not too much. We'll go ahead and take that right off there. Taking my egg mixture here, guys, and my muffin tin, let's see if I can do it. I'm just gonna start to pour this egg mixture right inside of these muffin tins, and these are gonna make bite-sized breakfast little egg bites, you guys. Really easy, creamy, good, and like I said before, packed with protein. Whip these together. These store amazing in the fridge. You can even pop these in the freezer. They work good for that as well. So many options. All right, you guys, now we're gonna add a little bit of bacon right into these egg bites. Now, of course, you can choose. You can do sausage, you can do veggie, you can do, I don't know, more cheese. I don't know, what would you do? Would you add onion? Would you add pepper? So many possibilities with this. And in fact, you could change it up. You could do a couple of them one way, a couple of them another way, which is why using this muffin tin is so nice, because it gives you these little individual bite-sized pieces and a chance to just switch it up. That way, everybody in the house can have a little bit of what they like. Okay, that looks great. I'm gonna take the rest of that cheese that I have, and I'm gonna place that right on top as well. Just a pinch on top of, you know what I wanna call these? I wanna call them these better than Starbucks egg bites. These better than Starbucks egg bites, you guys. And guess what? You could probably make an entire pan of 12 of them for what it costs you at Starbucks to eat one. Well, I mean, I guess, I don't know. Eggs are expensive these days. What are you guys paying for eggs these days? I think the 12 dozen that I got right now was, I think, $7. So, and I actually wasn't mad about that. I don't know, is that kind of messed up? That still seems like a lot. I remember when they used to be 99 cents. Holy cow, I'm aging myself. I'm just joking, right? I couldn't be that old, right? All right, you guys, these look great. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and stick around. You're gonna love these. All right, Starbucks, watch out. We're coming in hot. These egg bites turned out fantastic, you guys. I think I'm just gonna try to pick this one right up here. The reason why I love using this muffin tin so much, look at that. Individual, little bite size. These are so perfect. Put these in a container, seal them up, save them from the week. That way in the morning when you're getting ready for work, getting the kids ready for school, you pop them out of the fridge, into your mouth, and that's it. All right. Well, let's make sure they're good first, right? Wow, you guys, look at how fluffy. That cottage cheese makes the egg so fluffy. Not to mention, like I said before, it's a healthy way to get some really good protein in the morning to help your day. The bacon's a really good added touch, but you could put anything in this. I don't know. All right, we conquered it. Better than Starbucks. I'm gonna say that with confidence. I hope you guys enjoy this. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. We'll see you later.